58% of finance leaders are now using AI in their daily work. That number jumped from 37% just 1 year ago. But here's what nobody is talking about. Most CFOs are sending their most sensitive financial data to external servers every single day. Board reports, strategic plans, budget files, all sitting on someone else's cloud. And that is a problem most AI tools cannot solve. So I went deep into the platforms actually built for finance leaders, not the generic chatbots, the ones solving real CFO problems right now. Let me start with the one that changed how I think about AI in finance completely. Elephas works differently from every other tool in this space. It runs entirely on your Mac, completely offline. Your financial documents never leave your device. Not to OpenAI servers, not to any cloud, nowhere. This is not a limitation. This is the whole point. The Superbrain feature creates a personal knowledge base right on your machine. You load in years of board presentations, financial documents, strategic plans, then you search across all of it instantly. Semantic search that actually understands what you are looking for. Need to find that variance explanation from 3 quarters ago? A few seconds? Need to pull insights from a dozen different budget files? Done. But here is what makes this genuinely powerful for CFOs. The AI workflow automation handles repetitive finance tasks automatically, summarizing board reports, extracting insights from financial documents, generating presentations, even filling out regulatory PDF forms. You can switch between multiple AI providers, OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, whatever works best for your task, all running locally on your device. And it costs less than $10 a month. No IT approval process, no compliance concerns. You install it on your Mac and start working immediately. For CFOs handling sensitive information, this solves a problem that cloud-based tools simply cannot address. Now, what if your needs go beyond document analysis? What if you need organization-wide planning at enterprise scale? This is where Anaplan enters the picture. The platform connects planning across your entire organization. Finance, sales, supply chain, HR. Everything talks to everything in real time. Their AI forecasting engine uses 6 different machine learning algorithms. It picks the best one for your data automatically. And when you present forecasts to your board, you can actually show why the AI made that prediction. That transparency changes the conversation completely. The catch is scale. Anaplan is built for enterprise. Custom pricing means serious budgets. But for large organizations with complex planning needs, the investment makes sense. So what about mid-market finance teams? What if your entire operation lives in Excel? Datarails solves this problem elegantly. Most finance teams have years of Excel models they have built and refined. Datarails does not ask you to throw those away. It connects your spreadsheets to live data from over 200 sources. QuickBooks, NetSuite, Salesforce, all flowing into your existing models automatically. Their AI assistant lets you ask questions in plain English. You type something like, "What drove the variance in marketing spend last quarter?" and it pulls the answer from your actual company data. Implementation takes about 2 weeks. Your team keeps working in Excel. They just get smarter data underneath it. But there is still a gap. What about the month-end close? What about catching errors before they reach the board? Planful built their entire AI approach around this exact problem. Their Predict Signals module runs continuously in the background. It watches for anomalies in your formulas, your projections, your financial data. It catches mistakes before reports get published. The platform handles complex multi-entity consolidations, currency conversions, intercompany eliminations, all automated. For companies with complex reporting structures, this level of automation saves significant time every month. Now, there is one more path worth considering. If your organization runs on Microsoft 365, Vena integrates directly into Excel and Power BI. Their AI assistant runs on Azure OpenAI. You ask financial questions in natural language and it generates reports, analyzes scenarios, spots trends. If your team already lives in the Microsoft ecosystem, Vena feels like a natural extension. Co-authoring, version control, workflow automation, all built into tools your team already uses. That's it for today. See you in the next one. Don't forget to try Elephas for free using the link in the description and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.